Yes,
So
sir.
here are some effective tricks, which I learned from my research journey, my learning journey. I'm sharing with you. So when you are reading a paper, okay, just uh, try to find out some keywords like this. If you find something like this has or have not been studied, reported, or elucidated, that means it is not yet explored, understood. If you find some any lines like this has not been studied, reported, or underexplored, or it is not explored like this, so you will think that this is the gap. Also, sometimes we write like this: my model uh, requires more training data set, or we need optimization. My model require this model is required. More optimization. This method is required to do like this. So this is a gap. Understood? This is another technique. And also, I have to find out like keyword links. The question remains: we have done this research, but this question remains that if you find something like this, the author mentioned this question require or remains, then you will understand, okay, this is another gap. Okay, understood what I am trying to say? And also, it is important to address if the author write like this, okay, this topics or these things need to be addressed, need to be considered. Do you have the tricks now? Just for example, when you are reading a paper, you are finding for the research gap, and when you find this kind of sentence or this kind of word, okay. Uh, so when you find this kind of keywords or sentence, you probably find your gap. So when you find this kind of words, sentence, be happy. Am I right? Generally, researchers are researchers don't use this kind of sentence word directly. They use synonym, or positive word. So you have to be careful, inshallah.